Here again I'm very lucky. This is Vilma, and she is kindly, sitting for y'all. And Vilma is a mom of 3 children. And the thing is, for moms, I always say that we have a 24-hour job, because we are all mothers, I feel, are technically all multitask. Because so in the night, I think this on Vilma looks really nice. Just takes off all the tiredness. I think we should, when we are coloring our hair, see, now we've done little highlights, and what we're going to do is, in the evening, well, Vilma has to be putting on her foundation. We're going to use a primer. Always go and get a primer done. A primer lifts up your face. My dear friend Phil, and we're going to do makeup for her as well. So today we're just showing in different ages how we could look. I mean, I'm trying my best to show you all what I think of different women and different age groups. So now Sylvia is going to do Phil. Both cases, mother and later stages of motherhood, we're going to use primers. Please, primer is compulsory, because it lifts up the face, it gives you a smoother look. Yeah, there. Primers have also got vitamins, and it's like before you paint your walls, you always use a primer, because as age comes in, as age sets in, automatically we have more flaws, to cover up. So there again, I have to get a foundation. Here, this is to know. Normally after the age of 50, the foundation should be a little darker, I feel. Just don't make it dark, but please no lighter. Okay, when we are younger, we can wear a shade lighter, but please not, yeah. Okay, this is it. Yeah, see, there again. I've taken the identical shade actually for Vilma, because one can't really say, you can pass off as getting married also. So there's no, it's, I don't really have to camouflage much there. When we are also after a certain age, it's advisable to get your hair a little bit shorter, because it takes off years. Long hair sort of has a tendency to age us after a certain time. So, but all again, it all depends on how we feel, because when I'm styling people's hair, I always ask them what they do. Just open your eyes. What they do, because it's very, very important to understand the person. As a hairstylist, I can just go bizarre and cut hair the way I want to, according to their features, of course. But it's not right when somebody is a housewife, sometimes has no time to even look at the mirror, and I can't give her one of those glamour looks. And then when she's doing her stirring curry in the kitchen. So it always depends. I always consult. I take a long time talking to the person before I cut, before I style, before I do anything to them. This is foundation over your primer. There we go. I always do use highlighters on my eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of a powder foundation as well, because it's essential to compress the makeup. We don't have to use a powder foundation. If you want, you can also just use a simple pressed powder, or a pressed powder, or even a loose powder. There's no big deal. But I like foundation powders, because they close up better. They give me a better Always remember, I know I'm repeating, but it's nice to put your makeup 20 minutes before you step out of the house. Oh, that looks so cool. That looks really nice. I'm going to use a highlighter for Vilma, because you know what, this is an evening look, huh, what I'm doing for Vilma. Yeah, because this is, the daytime mothers are normally in the house. So this is just me going out for dinner. I would be using a shy blush for Vilma, because Vilma has already got fantastic cheekbones. So I won't be using anything drastic or, dramatic there. After a certain age also our skin is dull. So I like to use illuminator a lot after the age of 50, 60. It makes you look so nice and, less dull, the skin. And we have a lot of, after also when we age, we have a tendency of having a lot of pigments and lemons coming out. So it's nice to use cleaner stuff, it's like. I'm not using any highlighting for Vilma. I'm using, because this is a party night, huh? Okay, so I'm just going to use some greens. Vilma's eyes are deep set, so I'm just going to open them without making it to look too loud, huh? A very easy way to put makeup, and here you can't go wrong, is, put the full highlight here, the full highlighting. Okay, then take an upside down V. I'll just show you all. Okay, an upside down V this way, a V thing here, yeah, and there, there. There you go. Just a V. Can't go wrong with this type of makeup. Okay. You just put a little bit of a shadow there. I normally keep colors which I feel go well together in palettes like this. So it sort of makes your life easier. I have put a blue underneath, like a sea blue. So eye makeup. Vilma's wearing blue, so we put a blue mascara. It's an electric blue mascara. It's not. I mean, it's not because we are mothers with children and a heavy life, I mean, with kids and cooking, and that we can't have fun in the night. So I think you're allowed colors in the night. Mascaras are very important. Huh? Always remember, after 3 months, please throw away your mascaras, because you can get a lot of eye infection. Because mascara, it's like when we were in school, we used to learn about moles. This forms a lot of moles inside because of the darkness and the humidity. So every time in contact with oxygen, you get this disinfects very quickly. So please, every 3 months, please throw away your mascaras. Your eyes are very precious, so it's not worth doing something wrong there. And here we're going to put a lip pencil for both of them. The lip pencils. And we're going to put a little darker shade of lipstick. If you want your lipstick to last, fill up your lips with the pencil. This is a night look, huh? Yeah, very, very important. Please invest in good makeup brushes, because remember, it's like a painter without brushes, without its tools. So it's very, very important that all your brushes should always be cleansed regularly by, don't put soap and water when you're cleaning good brushes. It has to be done with shampoo. Please always finish off by blending your makeup. Don't let it go in patches. Now this is a hot mom. This is hot. Isn't she hot? This is the hot mother. Yeah. There you go. You saw how we can camouflage all the eyes? Phil has all this dark eyes, which is all gone off. Phil, how do you feel? Good. Thanks. So there, I think I've got all the age groups. All the age groups.
Do your own makeup and look gorgeous. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. So if you have any queries or suggestions regarding this program, please let me know at greta@prudentmedia.in. Till then, take care and keep watching Fashionista.